Beautiful. We're getting right over. 5 squats. Good. 5 thrusters. Nice deep squat. Into that press. Good. 3, 4, one more. Let's get another toss towards that fence. Good. One more. 5 thrusters. Let's see it. Two more. Last one. Let's get our toss back towards that house. Good. 1, 2, 3, 5. Right to our thrusters. Nice full squat into that press. Nice squat in there. Yesi, keep that going. Good. One more. 2 more tosses. Let's get another toss towards that house. Go. We're getting there quick. We got our 5. 5 and 5. One more. Into our thrusters. Let's see it. Good. 2, 3. One more. One more toss towards that house. Yes, let's see it. Last 5 and 5 here. Let's get it. Good. 2 more. Last one. Into our thrusters. Nice deep squat into our press. Two more. And last one. Perfect. Then we're going right on into that carpet.